Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Mitsubishi Pajero. See, this is the car, and you can see here P&D light is not there. When I remove gear, there is no light. See, that's the problem. Today I will show you why this is happening. Okay, this is the body control fuse box, and here you can see this is for transmission. This number 1 fuse 10A, this one. When I fix this fuse is continuously short. Okay, I already fixed 2-3 fuse. When I put drive mode and race, automatically short. Okay, so now I show you why this fuse short. See, I came under the car, and here this is a transmission range sensor, and you can see here transmission wire touch with this see, and that's why when you remove car and see, that's the problem here. 3 wire touch with this steering rack, and that's why fuse always short. This is the reason. Okay, thank you.